everybody, my name is JynellTrail. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hi. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. All right, so as you guys can tell by the title, y'all girl is reviewing a human hair. But guess what? Not just any human hair. Not just any human hair. We're gonna call her Blondie because it is a 613 wig, girl. So this is a 613 13 by 14 wig, 20 inches, body wave. Yeah. So this is, hold on. First, this here is from, so I found the information about this wig. So this wig is from Ali Moon Beam. I'll leave their name right here. And this, like I said before, this is their 613 lace front wig, human hair, body wave, pre-plucked with hairline, with baby hair. All right, so this is Blondie, y'all. This is Blondie. I have no idea how this will look. This is my first time wearing a blonde wig. So this is the hair straight from the package. This, like I said, it's body wave, so it has a wave pattern. This is just for the structure of the wig. So inside of the wig you have, you know, the typical wig construction. You have a clip, two clips at the side, one at the front, one at the back, along with adjustable straps right here. So I will be doing the, it's called the melting cap, or the Jesus Christ, that ball cap method, the melting cap. So this wig came with a wig cap, and yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna go ahead and, oh, and it came in this bag, and you can store your wig in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my ball cap method, and yeah, we'll take it from there. So this is my first time getting sponsored a human hair wig, and I am pretty excited, as you guys, I'm sure you guys can tell. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my stocking cap on. You want to stretch it as tight as possible. All right, I'm gonna bring it over my ears. I'm gonna cut right here. It's a small little hole. I'll put it over my ears like so. Don't mind my face right now. I want myself. Don't worry about that. That's it. Alright, put that over my ears. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, you know what? I'm gonna take off this over because I feel like I look like an idiot. Then I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Free spray. I'm gonna spray that on my hairline.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me,
Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace, the excess wig cap off.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow
That I have that, I'm gonna go in with my, you know what, first let me measure the wig on my head first before you got this, you got this, you got this, you got this. All right. Here I go. First part first. So on the videos that I watch, it says that it's best if you put the wig like a little bit in front of the glue, you know. So that's what I am doing. This part first, then I'm gonna spray it with some got to.
Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together.
So I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down. I'm gonna take out the baby hairs and then I'm gonna tie it down. Let me get that first. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down with my scarf first. Like I said, I'm gonna take out the baby hairs. And I'm gonna cut this part off. I should have should I do that before? But guess what? You learn as you go along. Like I said, I am learning as I'm going. So put the baby here then. I'm learning as I'm going. I bust the windows out your car. You see what she says. Alright, so I'm gonna just clip this back a little for a little bit, then I'm gonna go ahead and tie this down. I'm gonna tie it down for like 10 minutes and then I'll be back. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna try to do my makeup while this is on. If not, then I'll do it after. Alright, yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup. Hey, no, so, hey, Beanie, up on the camera, I look good. What the makeup? Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take my scarf off. Whoa, he lay down flat. He flat. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. And some loose just to keep the I'm telling you, be surprised.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think you'll have to listen. Because
I'm gonna go ahead and cut this side.
the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together.
Alright, so I just did my edges. I didn't record it because it was hard to do. Or maybe I think I recorded a little bit. Alright, so now I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. I'm gonna use my hot comb and flatten out the part, and then add some powder.
You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
Boy! Boy!
Wala yan. Ayos na inaan.
He hot now.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one to show me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one to show me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains.
So now I'm gonna go ahead and add some one curls to my hair. Finish off the look.
It's you and me on this beautiful day, and it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your much love to give. Something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh, I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow. For now, you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day.
So this is the finished look, you guys. This I come out as scalp. You can't tell me otherwise. So all the information about this here will be in the link down below in the description box. Go check them out. And yeah, so alright.
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's
So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, turn your post notification bell on, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.